We are going to introduce DBLB Supply Chain Management application. One application will manage your all e-commerce operation like CRM, order fulfillment, inventory operation, purchase and financial management. CRM. CRM is managing all type order operation, for example order search, order details, order tracking, order create, edit order, exchange order, hold, order cancellation, order price and charges management. CRM applications have dynamic ticketing system that will manage your all daily routine job, for example, customer compensation, wallet, refund management and for internal communication. In background it also managing customer profile, history, auto combination, customer email, SMS address management, agent and customer performance. OFS. Order Fulfillment System is managing order receiving from app and website to order delivery and payments gateway transaction. Can receive 55,000 orders from multiple e-commerce channel within 1 hour. Flexible Wave Creator, order-wise, zone-wise, order type, 3PL, delivery type, order value, item category. Fast track and normal track picking and packing option. Order picking and P&A management, order-wise, zone-wise, picking handover from picker to picker, real-time order and SKU level tracking. Picking by mobile, HHT, Android, Windows device with optimize and dynamics pick path. Dynamic item tracking, encode, SKU, lot, serial and any barcode. Packing management, gift message, wrapping, special handling. Driver handover and cash collection, package tracking and dynamic 3PL partner allocation. WMS is managing all type inventory operation, for example, picking management, sales, purchase return, transfer, movement, dynamic pick path and priority. Put away management, purchase, sales return, transfer, movement, path and priority. Inventory adjustments, inventory holds and reserve. Flexible zone configuration. Cycle count, casual, schedule, discrepancy, pallet locations. Movement, bin to bin and single item. Item inquiry, encode, SKU, lot, serial, barcode and bin-wise. ERP, Microsoft BC 365, we are using for purchase and financial management. Item master, item category for warehouse management and website categorization. Vendor master and vendor contract. Material replenishment, internal and external based on sale and space. Purchase order management, quote, order, schedule order and purchase invoice. Gate entry and quality check with dynamic quality parameter. One-click purchase receipts, GRN, and purchase invoice, finance booking. Financial management module, order payment entry management. Payment tracking and reconciliation. Expense booking based on cost center, cost divide and consolidation method. General ledger management. Cash and bank management. Receivable and payable management. Fixed assets and budgets. Cost and profit center management. Silent feature. It will reduce your operation cost by 30-40% and 90% of user license cost. It will increase speed, data consistency, accuracy and tracking. Easy to implement. User-friendly UI and process flow. DBLB tech team will provide effective training material. Implementation within 3 months. On cloud and on-prem both options are there. Well-defined user management and security. Please connect with us. Devinder Sharma. Project Management Team. Email ID. d.sharma@dblbtech.com. Mobile number. +919711452460.